If you're experiencing crashing issues while playing Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you identify common causes and provide solutions to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Baldur's Gate 3. Visit the official website for the latest specifications and compare them with your system's capabilities. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause crashes. Go to the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Install them and restart your computer. Step 3. Verify game files. If the game files are corrupted, it may lead to crashes. Open your game, launch your Steam, GOG, etc. Navigate to your library, right-click on Baldur's Gate 3, and select the option to verify the integrity of game files. Follow the prompts to complete the process. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. High graphics settings may overwhelm your system. Launch the game, go to the settings menu, and lower the graphics quality. You can also disable features like VSync or reduce the resolution to see if that resolves the crashing. Step 5. Disable background applications. Other applications running in the background can interfere with the game. Close unnecessary programs, especially those that use a lot of memory or CPU, such as web browsers or streaming software, before launching Baldur's Gate 3. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the crashing issues in Baldur's Gate 3. If problems persist, consider seeking further assistance from the game's support team or community forums. Happy gaming!